Guasha, Asian treatment of skin scraping. Activate your immune system and overcome illnesses sooner with guasha. Guasha is an ancient technique used by many Eastern cultures to activate the immune system, reduce fever, settle the digestive tract, overcome illnesses sooner, address migraines and other pains, and more. This technique is a natural way of maintaining health. Guasha is still used today. We've been using this technique in our family for generations. In fact, this is the first option we go to for treating seasonal illnesses and headaches. Guasha is a technique similar to cupping, which can be easily done at home. It can leave temporary marks which may last up to a day at most. If you're sick, the process can give some soreness. These are all good signs if the technique is performed as advised. Areas of focus for guasha: the neck and shoulders for migraines, headaches, flu-like symptoms, back for flu-like symptoms and most seasonal illnesses, lower back and buttocks for stomach, flu, diarrhea, bloating, and constipation, the chest for cold, sinusitis, and allergies, stomach for gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and stomach flu. Make sure there are no cuts in the areas you're performing guasha. Scrape is advised as not to cut the skin in the scraping process. Redness may result from guasha as it indicates the stage of your illness. Don't worry, it will fade and no scars will remain if done as advised. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the guasha. You have the patient lie down on the back. Lie down so their belly is down. And what we're going to do is get some tiger balm. You can use this is monkey palm or tiger balm. You can use cream or oil. And you will need, you could use this cap actually because it's very smooth here. Or you can get a stone like this and use it as a tool for doing the guasha. We're going to do on the back because most of the immune system or a lot of your muscles and things are right down here. Your nerve endings are here and things like that. So we're going to use the back. This is usually the major part that you do the scraping on for the guasha. And we're going to take some of the tiger balm or oil or cream and push it, pull it down along the spine, on the side of the spine. That's how we're going to start. And then you're going to take your tool, you're going to make it, put it at an angle of 30 degrees from the skin and apply even pressure and pull it down the whole way. Pick it up and do it again. You want to apply even pressure. You want to make sure there's no cuts on the body before you do this, and you want to make sure that your tool doesn't cut. And you just keep doing this. Apply even pressure and do it, say about 10 times. And you'll notice that the skin will turn dark or reddish because you're releasing heat from the body, you're releasing toxins from the body, you're activating the immune system. And once you do 10 times or so, and then you move along about a ½ inch over, and you do it again, just like this. You don't want to catch the muscle like that. You do want to keep it at a 30-degree angle, just like this. And sometimes if they're doing like this and it's harder to scrape, just take their arm and put it down so it's flat for you, okay? And it's easier to glide. Okay, and when the skin turns reddish, you'll know that they're having something going on. They're sick, and depending whether it turns color, sometimes it may not even turn color. It depends on what's going on in their body. But you consult Oriental medicine practitioner, and they will tell you what this all means, because at different stages of illness there's different things going on. At the beginning stages, I believe that's the case, that what happens is the color changes to red much faster. The redness will go away, so don't worry about that. You're not going to leave any permanent scars on the person that you did guasha on. The most it'll last is about a day or so. So once you're done on one side, you do the same on the other side of the spine. Okay, just moving along. You can treat colds, flus, seasonal illnesses, allergies, sinus issues. You can use the guasha, muscle aches and pains, as long as it's something that is a soreness. If the muscle aches and pains due to an injury, you probably want to go see the doctor. So you go down like this. If the person has diarrhea, any stomach issues, you can use this guasha for common, all the common issues. You can also use it for summer heat. It's just like that. So then you want to go the other way. We went down, now we're going to go sideways. So usually what you do is go to the top and go this way along the shoulders, and same thing, move down about a half an inch and go along the direction of the rib cage, which is kind of a little slanted towards the ground. So it goes like this. See? Not straight across. You don't want to go straight across. You want to slant it from the spine and go a little bit downwards. Okay? Okay. Sometimes you can have a little bit soreness if you're not feeling well. So you just keep continuing. When you do this, and continue like this all the way down the back. When you're using something like Tiger Balm, it will give chills to the person because the Tiger Balm will go in and it's a little bit cold, so they need to cover themselves up. So do like this on both sides, this side as well, going all the way down like that. If the person's got a headache, what you want to do is go along the neck, scrape like right there. And then you can do along the sides here. Okay? Just like that. This will completely open up their nose, release pressure from their head. And especially if you're using Tiger Balm, it'll open up the passageways. See? Just like that. So if they have diarrhea, stomach issues, we want to scrape down here. Okay? The lower part. So we're going to go from the lower back down to butt cheek. Okay? And we're just going to go downwards. Like this. Like this. Okay? Along both sides. Same. This should stop the diarrhea immediately. And same, just like this. Keep continuing all the way like this until you get to the end on both sides. Okay? If you have stomach issues going on, besides scraping here, you can turn the person around and do guasha on the stomach. If there are chest issues going on, congestion issues, you can also do guasha on the chest. If there is body ache and pain, you can do the guasha on the arm. You can do it on the legs. You can scrape most parts of the body. Just go down the body, okay? Start from the top and go down, not the other way. This is how you move. From the top, down, with even pressure. And this is guasha. And please go find a certified, licensed Oriental medicine practitioner and get some experience from them. And that will really help you, because this is a great home remedy. We've been doing it in our home for generations, and it's very successful. In fact, this is what we use first, especially when it comes to fevers. For children, when they have fevers, we do the guasha. Reduces the fever very fast, faster than anything else we've tried, and the kid can rest, and it makes them feel tired, so they actually do rest instead of get up and play around. Okay, thank you for watching. Consult a professional Oriental medicine practitioner for further guidance on the technique. Healing Array is not responsible for any problems you experience while doing guasha at home. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel and our Facebook.